Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a young entrepreneur, a parent looking for ideas for your kids, or just someone curious about new trends, today's video is packed with unique ways for kids and teens to make money. These aren't your typical lemonade stands or yard sales. These ideas tap into creativity, technology, and even local opportunities. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Virtual gaming coach. If you're a pro at games like Fortnite, Minecraft, or Roblox, why not become a virtual gaming coach? Tons of players want to improve their skills, and you can offer one-on-one coaching or even create tutorials. Bonus tip: stream your sessions on Twitch or YouTube and earn extra through ads or donations. You're gaming anyway, why not get paid for it? 2. Pet influencer. This one's for all the animal lovers out there. Help pet owners turn their furry friends into Instagram or TikTok stars. Offer services like content creation, photography, and account management. It's a fun way to combine creativity and a love for animals. 3. Mini food stand with a twist. Forget the lemonade stand, think bigger. Try selling unique treats like gourmet mini donuts, bubble tea, or waffle pops. Set up shop at local events, fairs, or even right from your front yard. 4. Digital art and design. Are you into graphic design or digital art? Start creating and selling digital stickers, wallpapers, or custom icons. Platforms like Instagram, Etsy, or even Fiverr can connect you with customers in no time. 5. Rental business. Have items like bikes, skateboards, or gaming consoles you rarely use? Rent them out to friends, neighbors, or classmates. It's a simple way to make money without much effort. 6. Event assistant. Turn your organizational skills into a business by offering help with party setups, decorations, or even event cleanups. Whether it's balloons or banners, people will pay for a reliable extra set of hands. 7. Customize stationery and school supplies. School supplies don't have to be boring. Personalize notebooks, binders, or pencil cases with cool designs or names. Sell them to classmates or through social media. 8. Mobile car wash or detailing. Grab some eco-friendly cleaning supplies and offer mobile car washes in your neighborhood. Add extra services like tire polishing or vacuuming for a little more cash. 9. Subscription snack box. Everyone loves snacks. Curate a monthly box of unique treats from around the world and deliver them locally. Start small and expand as you gain more customers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.